Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be unboxing this Faber Castell Click and Go water cup or a water bucket. So this is a very interesting piece, especially for artists who are on the go, because this makes it super easy to carry something along with you. You don't have to carry a very heavy brush holder, or you don't have to carry a very heavy glass box or a coffee mug, so sometimes they tend to break. So this is one which is available by Faber Castell, and this is a foldable water pot. So let's open this and see how it is. It does not come with any specific instructions, but this is how it is when it's folded. So I'm going to now try and unfold this. Oh, this is pretty simple. All I needed to do was press and it's opened into a very beautiful cup. It's very sturdy, so you can see there's like a different material which is used on the top and at the bottom, and in the center it is a little soft, so it's like a silicone over here, which is what is allowing it to fold easily. So this is brilliant, and I love these scallops over here because it makes it really easy for you to keep your brush. Let me show you how to do that. Let's pick up a brush and try and put that over here. Oh, this is brilliant. So I think this is a wonderful piece of accessory, especially for artists and travel artists. And even if you're going to be using this in your studio, or if you're a beginner, it is still really useful, because then you don't have to take up a lot of storage space, and this is not breakable. So hopefully I'll get to use this really soon. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope this was useful for you, and if it was, then do consider subscribing to the channel and get the updates of my new videos which I put up. So hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.